round of applause for sea lion friends. As you can see, their bodies covered with a thin coat of short, coarse hair. Their whiskers help the sea lion's sense of touch. It contains nerve fibers which make them sensitive. Nice smile. Now they may use their whiskers to aid in navigation or to detect vibrations from prey in the water. Now their small external ears give them a good sense of hearing both above and below the surface of the water. Now sea lions, like many marine mammals, can see well both above and underwater. They have keen eyesight but no color vision. Am I right, girls? And in the wild, they inhabit waters close to shores, flat, rocky cliffs with tide pools, and they have a preference for rocky beaches. They have excellent climbing abilities and can easily scale rocky cliffs. There you go, guys. Very strong front flippers. Now let's talk about their swimming abilities, starting with isis. Now sea lions usually cruise at about 11 miles per hour using the rowing movement of their front flippers, while their back flippers are stretched out behind their bodies, functioning as rudders for steering. Now that's their normal step. Slow and easy. Thank you so much, Isis and Trainer One. But when chasing their prey or escaping predators, they can achieve a burst speed of up to 25 miles per hour. Hit it, Sandra. Now that's surely a fast swim. Good job, ladies. How about another round of applause for Friends? Now here's an interesting trivia for you about the sea lions. Did you know that the US Navy